Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk coming to you from the beautiful Norwegian gem. Today we're heading towards the Dominican Republic to the town of Puerto Plata to a resort called Emotions, a all-inclusive resort. I went there on an excursion. It cost me about $120. You can go there. You don't have to be part of a cruise. You can just fly into the Puerto Plata area of the Dominican Republic and book a week there if you want. But I booked a day as an excursion of the cruise. It cost me, like I said, $120, all inclusive. All the drinks are paid for, all the meals are paid for. Beautiful resort. I didn't expect much as far as getting videos done, but they have a beautiful beach area, which is what this video is going to be all about. But I also have a video where I give a thorough tour of the entire resort. And there's also a beautiful buffet there that I didn't expect much from, but it is one of the best buffets I've ever had. That, again, is going to be a separate video. So let's head on over to the beach of the Emotions All-Inclusive Resort in Puerto Plata, part of the Dominican Republic. Shall we? The Norwegian gem pulled into Taino Bay, which is a beautiful area already. I did a video on that here on the New York channel if you'd like to see it. Taino Bay is part of Puerto Plata, so is Emotions, which is where we're heading today. But to get to Emotions, we need to catch a bus, so let's get going. Now, again, I did 3 videos while I was here. I wasn't even expecting to do one, but the place is really nice. One video being the buffet, another one being the actual resort with the pools and restaurants and stuff, and this one all about the beach here, and it's going to be pretty much a chill video. We're just going to take a nice long walk along the beach and just do some people watching and some nice just walking along the sand and surf. I got to spend most of the day here. I think we got here at around 10 o'clock and left around 4-ish or 5-ish. So there's plenty of time to explore what's around this area. Also, for about $100, this was all inclusive. So the buffet was included, the drinks on the beach were included, everything was included. Even if you need a raft for the ocean, it's all included. Of course, tipping is allowed. And I might say appreciated. Also included in that $100 was the bus ride, a very comfortable bus I might add. It was about a 15-20 minute ride, fully air conditioned, very comfortable seats. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. Backpacks are always a good idea when you're on a cruise or any vacation for that matter. You can pack a bathing suit, something to drink, some sundries. Really not necessary. I mean, you could have just worn your bathing suit off the ship, enjoyed the ocean while you were here, or the pool that's at the resort. You'd pretty much be dried off by the time the bus came back. Or you can just pack a suit and there would be changing rooms here as well. But like I said, a backpack is always a good idea, whether you're on a cruise or a vacation. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And shout out to Susan Fisher, who left me a nice super thanks on my latest Atlantic City video. I think it was my latest, The Hook. The show The Hook that I saw, and also I stopped off at the Horse Dive Bar and had a nice cocktail there. It was a great video if you haven't seen it. Thank you so much for the super thanks, Susan Fisher. I appreciate your support of the New Yawk channel. By the way, this is not the buffet I was talking about. That's actually inside in the resort. This is just a little beach spread. Pretty nice, huh? I grabbed some fresh fruit and a cocktail, again, all inclusive, and just enjoyed the beach for a while on a chaise lounge. So do you see that coconut hanging on a rope? That's the official Dominican Republic meteorological station. If the coconut is swinging back and forth, it's windy. If the coconut is still, it's pretty calm out. If the coconut's wet, that means it's raining. If the coconut's dry, that means it's sunny out. If the coconut is invisible, well then it's foggy. And if there is no coconut, well, you're in the middle of a hurricane. See how simple that is? No fancy schmancy equipment. The coconut appears to be still and dry, so it's a calm sunny day, and well, quite frankly, that's pretty accurate to me. Stay tuned, another video coming soon of the Emotions Resort area, including the pools and restaurants and shops, as well as more cruise-related videos here on the New Yawk channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New Yawk videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.